Restoration, and particularly tree planting, is not a magic solution. We need to look at landscapes as systems and take a systemic approach to restoration. Private sector has a key role to play in bringing investment into restoration, but also innovation, and really is a key player alongside others to drive the restoration movement at scale.
We are closely working with the government and community to use different methods in protection and the restoration of these areas. At the time, we are focusing on improving the communities through restoration program and other activities that generate income to the communities so that communities can protect their trees, but also improve their livelihood.
Only through partnership can we reach the speed and scale that we need to address the challenges facing the planet. That's why Tree and Trees address the climate crisis through collective action to protect and restore the world's forests. The point is this: we must protect our forest landscapes first. But in this century, restoration will be just as important if we're going to have any hope of rebalancing our relationship with the planet.